It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm heading to the airport. That's Sunday. I'm going to meet my dad in Chicago, and then we're flying, I'm flying to Chicago, where I happen to meet my dad, and then we're going to Portland to check out a car collection. Pretty stoked about it. I was supposed to do this in November when they filmed the thing for Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, but my family had a quarantine, so I wasn't able to go, so reliving that trip now. I wonder if my neighbors like it when my headlights shine in their house like that. This is the greatest airport in the universe because you literally park like basically on the runway. I guess not literally, but I have this like plan where I try to bring as little as possible anytime I travel anywhere. It usually works pretty well. Today I have just this backpack which has all of my clothes, probably like 5 cameras, my drone, chargers, headphones. I also refuse to go through security and like be the guy that has to like put on and take off a million things, so I always shovel stuff into my backpack. All right, ready. It's literally been like 4 seconds through security. There was one person in security with me, and now I'm at the gate. I'm on my second plane. My dad is too, but whatever. And I didn't record it, but I should have. On the first plane, I had a sneeze, so my eyes started watering, and I thought I was gonna die. I sneezed. They didn't ask me to leave the flight. Brought a Snickers bar, started eating it, and I got like a little chunk of peanut or something stuck in my throat. So I started coughing, and I couldn't, like, uncontrollably. Not good. I can't believe they let me get on the second plane. My eyes now are... I'm dying. Look at this thing. My dad's already broke it. Evidently this is the one. Well, red is sportier. My dad just said, I can't believe you're not doing a video on this because this is the weirdest experience of my life. And I was like, oh, we need my phone for the GPS. And I forgot that I have this camera. Evidently they must have gotten hammered here in Portland with snow, but the plow trucks just have plowed like everybody in. The roads are terrible and there's homeless people everywhere. It's crazy, like tents and shanty towns. This is not at all what I was expecting this area to be like. I also haven't seen any mountains. Like, look at that. That's the side road. As you're driving, there's just cars buried in these snowbanks. It's so weird. Do you think that guy's going canoeing? There must be like a plowers union strike. Oh, this guy's got the idea. Yeah, that's the place that sells bulldozers, I'm guessing. Oh my god, this is the most...
It's like driving on a Michigan road.
I should turn the camera stabilization off. It's so bad. This is so ridiculous. What is going on in this town? I've never seen anything like this. So this is a line all for Dutch Bros. Oh, that dude's stuck. His tires are just spinning. Oh yeah, doors open, they're toast. This is so wild. These trees are so low. Look at that one's touching the ground. Everywhere we go, my dad finds cars.